African Violet Fertilizer. Introducing Indoor Plants African Violet Fertilizer. African Violet fertilizing isn't an age-old mystery. With a little understanding, African violets are the least temperamental of all plants to raise. Commercial violet growers, hybridizers, and home growers have figured out how to water correctly and feed their African violets correctly in the right place, at the right time, every time, to sustain their plants indefinitely. Water wicking. By inserting a nylon wick into the African violet soil and out of the bottom of the pot into the reservoir below, optimum watering, fertilizing, and care can be achieved. Indoor Plants African Violet Fertilizer 123614 is ideal for every indoor or outdoor plant. The e-cubez self-watering pot never clogs, easy to clean, with warm water and mild detergent, always able to visually see the water level. Visit us on the web at indoorplants.com or phone 580-889-6486.